Durban is known by a beautiful landscape and the sea, but it came to a halt this year when the rain occurred.
Abanye nje bebetholakala la ensukwini ke amanzi esephungukile ke sebetholakala emasayithini wathola phambi kwayizolo nje okutholakala ingane esencane azibuyisa nje izindlu sahamba ke sawuhlaliswe eholweni.
A lot of people were moved to various halls, but even now they are sleeping in those halls.
Abantu abasasiza la amasonto akhela iNazaretha nje no Pinetown nama organization nama NPOs okukahulumeni bekungakafiki sagcina nje kuthiwa asibhala ama list sisho ukuthi sishoda ngani bekufika abaka disaster basho ukuthi asibhale konke sikudingayo sishoda ngayo sesabhala kodwa ke bekungakafinyeleli la kuthina.
Waking up in the middle of the night and you see your house engulfed in water and you have to run away. It was a disaster that we last saw in the early 80s. Everything was destroyed. You'll see the trucks on the road and the traffic was standstill. It was a question without answers when you ask yourself, how is a container across the road? Corner to corner, the roads were destroyed and the people lost their lives. Some of them were swept by the water. Even today, they're gone.
Lo munye watholakala ngakusasa lo munye ke nje sike kwathatha isikhathi ukuthi angatholakali sasathandaza uNkulunkulu ukuthi akasisize ukuthi atholakale hayi ke kwafika abomthetho ke bakwazi ukuthi bafike nezinja sakwazi ukuthi simthole watholakala manje na ke umntwana ke lo ngicabanga ukuthi umntwana une-8 years esasosiza nolusimangaliso esicelayo nje ukuthi nje uNkulunkulu namakhono sithandazisa ukuthi lo mntwana atholakale sesikhalela ithambo lakhe nje ngoba sisaba ngisho ukukhuluma noma wakhe ngisho ukumbingelela umakhe ngoba vele angitheli ngenyembezi.
Moving to another location, thinking everything is fine, and you will see another disaster. Driveways were also destroyed and kids couldn't go to school. You ask yourself, where do I start? So bad. It's really, really, really bad. Look, the damage. Look, driveway towards the house. How are you going to drive in and out here? How? If it's like this. Eh? Oh, gosh. Oh. Oh my gosh.
Lucy working there with Pastor Joe, trying to clear up some of the part of the car so that we can put a chain underneath and take it out. You working hard, Pastor Malusi?
Yeah. You want this car out here for too long now.
This was a new car which was destroyed in the agony and also a house. You were sweating, building your house, and it was destroyed. Now you are staying in a hall with no place to stay, and the government doesn't help much. How can you sleep when other people are suffering? Without any government help, some people decided to go out and help those who lost their belongings, and so that they can survive. Putting a smile to those who were needy, it was the best achievement, even though at some point you get stuck, but it is okay. Holding hands together, we will achieve a lot. Like a song which says, we are the one, we are the children.